Welcome, my name is Harrison Van Riper, Director of AI here at Tidal Cyber. In this walkthrough, we'll explore NARC AI, Tidal's new automated engine that reads unstructured threat intelligence and turns it into actionable, attack-aligned insights within minutes. For users, you can find NARC after logging into Tidal Cyber's threat-led defense platform and navigating to the new entry item within the sidebar. NARC is an additional module that can be purchased as an add-on to your Tidal Cyber subscription. NARC AI brings together advanced large language model reasoning and Tidal's threat-led defense framework, helping analysts focus on what matters most, understanding how adversaries operate, not just what they target. Getting started is simple. From the NARC AI submission screen, you can paste the text of a threat report or drop in public URL. NARC accepts intelligence from any unstructured source, whether that's a CTI report, an incident summary, or free text. In this example, we'll use a public threat intelligence blog. Once you click Submit, NARC immediately begins reading and analyzing the report. Behind the scenes, NARC applies AI reasoning to every sentence, identifying relevant adversary procedures and mapping them to MITRE ATT&CK tactics and techniques, as well as Tidal Cyber groups, software, and campaigns. Even long reports processed in just a few minutes. When the analysis is complete, NARC presents a structured summary of what it found, including extracted procedures, associated threat groups, and related software. Each result is pre-mapped to attack for immediate validation. You can drill into any result to explore details, review extracted context, and validate the extractions. NARC gives analysts full control over what's added to their knowledge base. Once you've reviewed the results, click Save All Updates to instantly add the validated objects to your Tidal knowledge base. Your threat-led defense environment updates automatically with these new AI-derived insights. In just a few minutes, an unstructured report becomes structured, actionable, and ready to drive detection, validation, and defense workflows. Now I'll briefly show you how these results are immediately actionable within the Tidal Cyber platform. Coverage maps are made up of threat profiles and defensive stacks. After processing our report with NARC, we now have more intelligence that our threat profiles can leverage. As we can see, the threat that we just analyzed using NARC, in this case Flax Typhoon, was already in our threat profile. That object was updated with all the new relationships that NARC was able to identify, new techniques, new procedures, etc. All of that information is immediately brought into any coverage maps that this threat profile is attached to. Now, we know there was a new campaign NARC identified, and we want to add that into this threat profile. We can now pivot into our coverage map and leverage all of that information just as you would if you'd spent all of that time manually creating objects and relationships. NARC is the first automated AI engine purpose-built to extract adversary procedures. NARC automatically transforms unstructured intelligence into attack-aligned procedures and connects groups, campaigns, and software, saving analyst hours and accelerating threat-led defense.